What's up, everybody? I'm here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with Charles Lanning, one of my students. This is a property that I tried to convince you to buy.
Yeah, that's right.
What happened?
Well, I've ended up finding a different property, so it took that route a little bit.
So when you were looking at this property, you said the area is a little sketch.
Well, it's a little bit. I mean, we're looking around a little bit, and you know, you can kind of tell that it's coming back, but with Marquette University High School being right here, this is a pretty superb high school and like private, so it costs like an absolute fortune to go there. But then you look across the street over here, now you see some boarded up building.
Right across the street over there. I did notice that.
Right.
Now we got this property right here. Let's just kind of walk it so I can kind of tell you what I'm looking at. So the first thing I'm looking at is that we've got definitely some wood rot here. But if you look at the foundation is solid, which this house is over 100 years old. Did you think it was weird that I decided I'd make an offer on this?
Well, no, I'm not shocked at one bit. I wouldn't put it past you by any degree, but I'm kind of shocked that you're even here right now because I thought you were going to try to ditch it just because it's not in your market. But now we're here and you're now going to spread your market over here, and I'm going to help you to do exactly that.
Well, it looks like the door's open. Is he here?
He must be.
All right, well, let's roll in there and surprise him. Or we're going to find somebody else.
Yeah, right. Time will tell.
Charlie, the one thing I will tell you that is all the good features that I'm looking at here is like, A, we've got a parking lot.
Right.
Big plus.
Yeah, at least probably 7-8 spots on the low end.
Right, and so, hey, what's up? Are Charlie?
Yes, you must be Troy.
Hey, nice to meet you, dude.
How's it going? I'm Charles. Pleasure.
Charles and
nice
Charlie.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, do you know the property well?
I'm not too familiar with it, but I am familiar a little bit with the area.
Okay.
But the property does consist of 9 bedrooms. It's over 2,800 square feet.
This thing is beautiful, man.
Yeah, no
You
doubt.
should see the chandelier. It's like this massive foyer.
Man, look at this ornate woodwork. Holy craminy. All right, so front door's over here. Hold on real quick. So we come in here. Man, this is a cool property. Charles, I can't believe you're not interested.
Oh, well.
This is like,
It used to be a law firm.
Charlie, you're a good agent too, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
So I found you on Redfin. I know something about Redfin is that those agents are aggressive because you wouldn't have put yourself on there unless you're trying to get a bunch of leads. How long have you been licensed?
So I've been licensed close to 2 years now.
Right on. God, all this stuff is dope.
Yeah, no kidding. Beautiful.
You haven't been in this one yet.
No, I haven't. Only just walked outside of it that one time.
I mean, the heat is pumping in here. And it has condensers, so we know it's got central HVAC. And you know why I know it's a good area? Because in Kansas City, those suckers would have been gone.
Oh, really? They've been swiped from you?
Oh, yeah. 100%. Do you know how many? Dude, I've had them ripped through cages.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, the Milwaukee ain't like that, at least from what I know of.
Yeah, that's what I said. Because he was saying this is a little bit rougher area, and I was like...
Around the edges.
So just kind of to tell you, these things very rarely roll like this.
Like that smooth?
That smooth, okay?
Without coming off the
So I
track?
bought a bunch of houses with these in them. They never roll that smooth. So this property seems to be made in excellent condition. Walking in, we got our main lobby area. This is, we could call this office number 1, bedroom number 1. Doesn't have a closet. We've got another one of these things. God dang, this floors. I was in love with this property the minute I saw it. You could probably tell, right? This is our downstairs. Okay, so we came in right here. All right, so this would be one potential office right in here. If somebody wanted to rent it out as an office. I'm guessing this is like their
It's got a through.
copy machine area. They took out their shower. Yeah, I don't even think they've had it for a while because there's nothing there. So probably because it was a law office, what's the point? You know, you're not gonna have your secretary take a shower. It's probably a big liability. You could potentially make this, open this up if you wanted to.
Turn it one big room.
If you wanted
Versus
to,
having
but
this elongated
I think it's
piece.
pretty functional the way it is. All right, so that's all of the first floor. That's real stained glass.
Is this the chandelier you were talking about?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the one. Pretty cool. Check out this room, Troy. This is it. This lighting is legit.
This could have been the,
This could have been mine.
right? Are you having a little bit of regret right
Just a slight amount.
now? Right now, just
Probably should have listened to you the first time, but we were a little too deep in contract with that other one. But it's fine. That's fine. It's fine.
Well, there could be an opportunity down the road.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Oh, this is sick.
I was telling him, I said, you got to look at this one. In your mind, it was kind of like, no,
Yeah, I was a little trapped. I was too streamlined. I'm like need a cleaner path, even though this has mad potential. You know?
Like, is it in really good shape?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Like this room, there's not a damn thing I would do to this room, to be honest with you. Yeah. Maybe the wallpaper's a little on the whatever, but functionality wise, no, it's top tier.
Okay, so closet here, another closet space here.
Nice.
This is nice, Charles.
Yeah, no doubt.
You could put a big old master bed.
Oh yeah, nice California king right here.
Right here. and you got a hell of a view. So you got one little window that's broken. But this thing is in good shape. All of these fireplaces are.
Yeah, look at this. This is mint.
I mean, it's in almost damn near perfect shape. This is the girlfriend's bedroom.
Yeah, one of them.
Another nice fireplace right here.
Massive window.
They probably have these just so they don't work anymore, I imagine.
It kind of looks like it's almost like painted and sealed.
Yeah, I was gonna say, they normally seal them because they don't want people this one is the only one that looks a little rough. I guess the power's on in this place since the boiler's working, so.
Man, another one. Jeez.
Okay, so what's going through your mind right now, dude?
A little bit of regret that I didn't take this for myself, but it's fine because it's in much better condition than the exterior kind of speaks for. I will say that.
Right, and what did I tell you? You need to go walk it.
Yeah, you did say that.
I said, go make an appointment and go walk it.
And then you beat me to it, and now here we are.
No, beating you to it. No, I said, because if you still want it, I'll have no problem giving it to you, man.
Just hand it over, just like that?
Well, we still have an opportunity for us to do a partnership on this deal and work something out, because I certainly can't manage it from Kansas City, Missouri, and we can figure something out, and maybe down the road, we could work a deal where you buy it from me or something like that.
Absolutely.
But the only reason I did this
was...
And I'm going to be truthful right now. The reason I did this is I knew you were making a mistake.
And here we are, and I'm admitting that I 100% did.
Yeah, so. I pushed you so hard on this one.
Yeah, I know you did.
And I said, you need to buy this house. You need to buy this house. Okay, let's talk about the offer, Charlie. So what did I put the offer on?
So we initially wrote for 230.
What'd they come back at?
260, because we came up to 250.
So we put an offer on it. I lost it. He came back, being a great agent that you are, and said, hey, everybody fell out. Are you interested in going again?
Okay.
I think I threw a low ball offer.
Yeah.
Super low ball. They came back at 255. And he's like, hey, you're only $5,000 apart. I said, I'm stuck at 250. And he got it done. And then we did our inspections. Charlie got me a credit of how much?
25,000.
So I'm in this deal for $225,000.
You got 25 G's of seller costs? Holy smokes.
So I'm in this deal for $225.
Oh my God.
That's a steal.
Kidding me.
What is going through your head right now?
I'm like, son of a bitch. I should have just ditched the one I just got.
How many times did I push you to try to get this deal?
It was too good to be true in my brain, and here you made it happen.
But we can figure something out where we can work together on it. You're here, I need someone here.
Yeah.
And sometimes, like, I've never made an offer on something out of market.
Sure.
On something that I'm pushing a student to get.
Yeah.
I knew that this was a good deal. Unless I walked through this house and it was totally run down, this is way better than I expected.
It's incredible. No, seriously, it's incredible.
Yeah, so
very livable space.
I'm glad this is the way it went because I didn't want to come out here and be like, oh man.
What a dump. Yeah, no.
What a dump,
nice.
Yeah. You could probably, if you made this your house, make this just a badass shower area.
Now we're talking. Yeah, a little walk-in.
Yeah.
The whole 9 yards.
And then maybe relocate the toilet to over here, and then just put an awesome double shower.
Nah, you gotta have the double head. We're not sharing.
So this is the worst room so far. I'm guessing we've got hardwoods underneath here. So we just pull these up. Looks like you had a little mouse in here or something. Have like a pest control done in here. So this is the worst room. This is what you thought the whole place would look like,
Yeah,
right?
no, even worse than this originally.
So we're just gonna close out. First of all, make sure you subscribe. Second of all, I would ask you, what are the lessons on this project? Like if you were to go back in time.
Yeah, if I were to go back in time and redo this whole process, because I mean, since that point that when we were on the phone, I was FaceTiming you, showing it, I've learned a lot since that point. So I've kind of learned a different direction now just from learning from you and all the other guys that we learned with. But I mean, first of all, don't let an exterior get a hold of your mind and let you convince yourself otherwise that it's on the shit on the inside, because this place is absolutely gorgeous on the inside. It really doesn't need all that much. In my personal opinion, not that much work.
Right.
It's very livable space, and most of it is pretty, especially the foundation and kind of upwards, pretty good.
Right.
Otherwise, go walk the damn property. I should have done that, but I didn't because I was too convinced on a different direction.
You shut it down.
Yeah, I did shut it down immediately.
Yeah.
It just seemed like a little out of my range of experience at that point in time, which is, understandable. But yeah, and then you were able to score this for dirt cheap, let alone where it was originally listed at what, 300?
Yeah.
Give or take, and now you scored it for whatever it is that you did.
2 1/4.
Yeah, 2 1/4 with seller costs and everything with that. So it's a pretty good ass deal, I would say, for sure.
What we'll do is you and I will figure out a way that we can work together.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll give you the first right of refusal on this if I
Right
ever
on.
sell it, that you can have it, because I don't plan on.
Yeah, being up in this market.
Yeah, I just literally was doing it to show you.
Sure.
Like, I was like,
It says a lot about yourself and your character, because the fact that you came up here and bought this damn property just to show me and teach me a lesson, I'm like, man, I couldn't thank you enough for that.
well, I mean, like, here's the deal. Like, I know that, like, this one, I know that you're a responsible dude.
Sure.
I know that, hey, if I need somebody up here to help me, you're willing to do that.
Yeah,
and
most
then if you
definitely.
ever want to buy it, we'll work out a deal where you can buy it for, like, whatever.
Yeah.
And then that way you can get your own one. Because, like, for me, I was like, I gotta, like, sometimes you gotta teach people lessons.
Yeah, right. It's a
And
good
I
way to
feel
do
like you're really, really smart. You know what you're doing. I've bought a lot of properties in a lot of areas just to kind of.
Yeah, just do it. Just explore the market to see how it performs.
Yeah, I can't lose on this one.
Yeah, right. No, this is a win through and through. So,
Any words of wisdom to give people who are like trying to invest in real estate?
yeah, listen to what Troy says. If he believes in property, he damn near means it. And go ahead and take a look at it. You got nothing to lose besides like an hour of time, if that. You'll probably, if you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to pull it off. So here we are. If I had to do this all over again, I would have definitely take a look at it and given it more credit for what it's worth.